Hello dear student, in this video we are going to continue with our lesson number 4, that is your own book of science. In that there were two parts. In first part we saw a simple experiment of ice lifting. Now in this video I'm going to explain you second part, page number 8, puzzles in your surrounding. Why does it help even in summer? See student, we feel very hot in summer. Now all of you know that summer is a very hot season. The sun shines brightly and the temperature is high. बहुत धूप रहती है और टेम्परेचर कैसे होते हैं, बहुत हाई होता है. It's we feel very hot. And then suddenly there are clouds in the sky and it starts raining. Not just water but even small balls of ice. See, sometimes we feel very hot in summer and suddenly the clouds gathers together and it's rain, not only rain but the balls of ice falls. Okay, we say it has started hailing. The small balls of ice are called hailstones. Now see, जो छोटे छोटे बर्फ के टुकड़े गिरते हैं उनको hailstones कहते हैं. Why does it hails in the hot summer season? Summer season में ये hails मतलब ये hailstones क्यों गिरते हैं? Okay. See students, as we move up from the land, the temperature begins to fall. As we go up, as we move towards this sky, we feel cold. Okay, up in the sky it is very cold even in the hot season. See, on the land, if we feel that it is if it is a hot season or summer season, but as we go up upward towards the sky, there we feel very cold even in the summer also. Okay, you know that there are water particles in the clouds that we see in the sky. See, in the sky there are water particles. Okay, so very high up in the sky, the water particles in the clouds turn into little bits of ice. See, in the sky there are some water particles which turns into a little bite of ice, और छोटे छोटे आइस के टुकड़े में टर्न हो जाते हैं. ओके, sometimes there are strong winds in the clouds. See, कभी कभार स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड माने तेज हवा क्लाउड्स में होती है. दे pushes these little bits of ice upward. Now because of the strong winds, the little bits of ice are thrown upward side, so they do not fall on the ground. इसके लिए वो ग्राउंड पे गिरते नहीं हैं. They go up and collect more water particles. देखो ये छोटे छोटे टुकड़े ऊपर फेंकने की वजह से और वाटर पार्टिकल्स कलेक्ट करते हैं और वो बड़े बड़े बन जाते, which freeze onto them. Thus the tiny balls get bigger and bigger. जो छोटे छोटे आइस के टुकड़े होते हैं वो बड़े बड़े बन जाते हैं. They turn into hailstones. They become, see, the tiny balls gets bigger and bigger. They turns into a hailstone. Okay, the heavy hailstones then fall on the ground in the form of a shower. Now shower means a large number of drops falling together. देखो एक साथ बहुत सारे वो गिर जाते हैं hailstones. Very tiny hailstones melt before they reach the ground. Now see student, small hailstones छोटे छोटे बर्फ के टुकड़े होते हैं वो ग्राउंड तक आते आते ही मेल्ट हो जाते हैं. They get melted. They turn into a raindrops. Okay, but small hailstones reach the ground before they melt. मतलब वो but hailstones reach the ground before the melt. Okay, a light shower of hails can be great fun, but hailstorms can cause great damage to crops, plants, and animal. See the small hailstones which falls to the ground, because of they are small, while coming to the ground they get melted. But the bigger hailstones, they do not melt, they suddenly falls. Okay, and because of that hailstone, bigger hailstone, what happens, they it can cause great damages to the crops, plants, and animal also. क्योंकि ये बड़े बड़े हेलस्टोन गिरने से क्या हो जाती है, फसल जो होती है वो फसल के ऊपर गिरने पर वो ख़राब हो जाती है, प्लांट्स के पर गिरने पर वो प्लांट्स भी ख़राब हो जाते हैं, एंड एनिमल्स के ऊपर या बर्ड्स के ऊपर लगने पर उनको मतलब वो हेलस्टोन्स के इतने ज़ोर से उनको उनके बॉडी पर लगने पर क्या हो जाती है, वो इंजरी हो जाती है, अदरवाइज दे डाई. ओके, नाउ सी student, Maharashtra was hit by a series of hailstorm in 1914. In 1940 में देखो महाराष्ट्र में एक hailstorms हुआ था. Okay, sorry, student, Maharashtra was hit by a series of hailstorms in 2014. Okay, so in 2014 Maharashtra was a big hailstorm, and because of that, see, the hailstorms devastated thousands of acres of standing crops. See, डिवास्टेटेड मतलब कंप्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉयड. ये हेलस्ट्रॉम्स गिरने की वजह से थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एकड़ ज़मीन में जो फसल लगाई थी वो भी ख़राब हो गई थी. ओके, इन 2014. ओके, फ्रूट्स क्रॉप्स वेयर रूंड, मतलब फ्रूट्स जो भी थे वो भी ख़राब हो गए थे, वो भी झाड़ सब खराब हो गए थे. बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स वेयर किल्ड एंड इंजर्ड इन लार्ज नंबर्स. देखो हेलस्टॉर्म्स गिरने से एनिमल्स भी और बर्ड्स भी इंजर्ड भी हो गए थे, और बहुत सारे एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स मर भी गए थे. फार्मर सफर्ड हेवी लॉसेस. इट वॉज अ ग्रेट नेचुरल calamity. See, calamity means a terrible event that causes a lot of damage or harm. देखो because of the hailstorms which was fallen in 2014 in Maharashtra, उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था, पूरा not only crops and all but birds and animals also got injured and all, and ये thousands of acres की जो crops थी वो भी पूरी ख़राब हो गई थी, और इसकी वजह से farmer had to suffer a very heavy losses. Okay, so this was the second part of the lesson number 4, that is your own book of science. Okay, thank you.